Namaste everybody. Ramaya, Ramabhadraya, Ramachandraya, Vedase. Raghunathaya, Nathaya, Sitaya, Pate Namah. Dears, today is a very auspicious day for us. Every days are celebrated in a grand scale. Due to this pandemic, we, the great warriors, the teachers, never live any celebrations that is to be the service of the nation. So here we are gathered here to celebrate the auspicious day, that is the International Non-Violence Day. This is what we feel proud to be an Indian, because this is the day we have given to the world, that is International Non-Violence Day, on behalf of our Mahatma's birthday, Gandhi Jayanti. And one more auspicious day is that the great leader, a simple person with great thoughts and great deeds, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri's birthday is also celebrated on this auspicious day. To remember the values, to inculcate in the life, we celebrate this auspicious day. So, my dear students, my dears, the celebrations is to remember the values and to inculcate in throughout our life. So, let us begin the function by offering flowers to the portrait of Sri Mahatma Gandhi Ji. I request our headmasters to please offer the flowers to the portrait. Thank you, madam. Thank you, everybody. Please take your sitting place. Ram Bhajan is the favorite devotional prayer for Gandhiji. So, let us begin with the prayer. I request Rudresh sir to make us to be in the prayer and devotional mood.
पीड़ पराई जान रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जान रे पर दुखे उपकार करे तो है मन अभिमान नाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जान रे सकल लोक मां सहुने वंदे निंदा न करी केणी रे वाचकाचुरन निश्चल राखे धन धन जननी तेरी रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जान रे समदृष्टि ने कृष्णा त्यागी परत्रिजे मात रे जीवार किया सत्यन बोले परदन नव जाले हाथ रे वैष्णव जन तो तेन कहिए पीड़ पराई जान रे वनलोभीने कपट रहित चे काम क्रोध निवार्या रे बड़ी नर संगतन दर्शन करता कुलरी को तेरे तार्या रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए पीड़ पराई जान रे सकल लोक सहुने बंदे निंदा न करी केली रे वाच काच मन मिशन राखे धन धन जननी तेरी रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए पीड़ पराई जाने रे पद दुखे उपकार करे तो मन अभिमान न आने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए पीड़ पराई जान रे पीड़ पराई जान रे पीड़ पराई जान रे
Thank you, sir. Actually, Vaishnava Janata was a very favorite song of Gandhiji because the song itself dictates and predicts that the complete moral values should be inculcated by a person. Vaishnava Janata is a Jana who is empathetic, who understands others' sorrow, and who is very transparent and good in deeds and thoughts. So many moral values are inculcated in this song. So it was a very favorite song for Gandhiji. And even, my dears, he used to follow completely throughout his life the moral values. There were many challenges to be faced, but still he never set back his sword of non-violence and many moral values. So, what were the values and what were the challenges he faced in his life? That will be said by Mr. Bharmappa sir in his speech. So I request Bharmappa sir to give the speech on the moral values and the challenges faced by Gandhiji throughout his life.
Good morning to everyone. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರೇ, ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, ಮುದ್ದಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರ 153ನೇ ಜಯಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ವ ಅಹಿಂಸಾ ದಿನವೆಂದು ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯುಗ ಪುರುಷ, ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಐಕಾನ್ ಎಂದೇ ಗುರುತಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. ಸತ್ಯ, ಶಾಂತಿ, ಅಹಿಂಸೆ, ಸತ್ಯಾಗ್ರಹಗಳೇ ಅವರ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಸ್ತ್ರಗಳು. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರ ಬದುಕೆ ಒಂದು ತೆರೆದ ಪಾಠ. ತಮ್ಮ ಸರಳ ಜೀವನ, ಅಡಿಗಡಿಗೂ ಹೋರಾಟ, ಸತ್ಯ, ಸಹನೆ, ಸ್ವಾವಲಂಬನೆಗಳ ಆದರ್ಶಮಯ ಬದುಕಿನಿಂದ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಎಂದರೆ ಆಡುಮುಟ್ಟದ ಸೊಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ, ಗಾಂಧಿ ಚಿಂತಿಸದ ವಿಚಾರಗಳಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂಬುದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸತ್ಯ. ಆದರೆ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಎನ್ನುವುದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಚರ್ಚಿಸುವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಾವು ಗಾಂಧಿ ವಿಚಾರಧಾರೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅನುಸರಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಆರಾಧಿಸಿದ್ದೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚು. ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಸುಧಾರಕರು ಈ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲವೇ ದೇವರಾಗಿರುವುದು. ಆದರೆ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಇಂದೂ ಸಹ ಮಹಾತ್ಮರಾಗಿಯೇ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಗಾಂಧಿ ಎಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಬದುಕಲಾರದ, ಒಪ್ಪಿಯೂ ಅನುಸರಿಸಲಾಗದ, ಆರಾಧಿಸಿಯೂ ಅಪ್ಪಲಾಗದ, ಕಲಿತು ಕಲಿಸಲಾಗದ ಈ ಗಾಂಧಿಯೇ ವಿಚಿತ್ರ. ಆದರೆ ಅವರು ದೇವರಾಗದೆ ಮಹಾತ್ಮರಾಗಿರುವುದೇ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಸಮಾಧಾನ. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಎಂದರೆ ಇಂದಿನ ಯುವ ಪೀಳಿಗೆಯ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದರೂ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಬೇಕಾದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಎಂಬ ಭಾವನೆ ಮೂಡಿದೆ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಹಾನ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಂದುಕೊಂಡ ಜನರಿಗೇನೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸತ್ಯವೂ ಹೌದು. ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ ಸಭೆಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರನ್ನ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಹೀಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ: ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂದಿಗ್ಧ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆ ಪ್ರಸಂಗ ಎದುರಿಸುವುದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಉಪವಾಸಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮೊರೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೀರಿ ಎಂದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸರಳವಾಗಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಉತ್ತರ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸರಳವಾಗಿದೆ: ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಉಪವಾಸ ಸಂಕಷ್ಟದ ವಿರುದ್ಧದ ಅಂತಿಮ ಆಯುಧಗಳೆಂದು ನಾನು ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅಹಿಂಸೆ, ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಉಪವಾಸಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಯಾಯಗಳು ಸೋಲುತ್ತವೆ ಎಂಬುದೇ ನನ್ನ ನಂಬಿಕೆ. ಅಹಿಂಸೆಯ ತತ್ವದ ಮೇಲೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಜಕಾರಣ ಎಂದು ಮಾತನಾಡುವ ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯುತ ಪಾತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಂಬುದು ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು ಹೀಗೆ ಉತ್ತರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ: ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಎಂತಹ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎನ್ನುವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಧಿಕಾರವಿರಬಾರದು. ಆದರೆ ತನ್ನ ಈ ಉದ್ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸುವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸುವ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಸದಾ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಆತನೇ ಅಧಿಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಇಳಿದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುವ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಲಿಯಾಗುವ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಗಳು ಇವೆ. ಆದರೆ ತಾನು ಕಳುಹಿಸಿದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರದ ಸುಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲುಕಿದರೆ ಅವನನ್ನು ಮರಳಿ ಕರೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಈತನೇ ಸಿಲುಕಿಕೊಂಡರೆ ಇಡೀ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತದೆ. ಆಗ ಇಡೀ ತತ್ವ ನಾಶವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂಬುದೇ ನನ್ನ ನಂಬಿಕೆ. ಇಂತಹ 10 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದುದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಸತ್ಯ, ಅಹಿಂಸೆ, ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಆಧುನಿಕ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾದರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಮಹಾನ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತನಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ದಿನಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಲದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ನೀಡಿದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರುಗಳೊಳಗೊಂಡು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಬಂಧುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಮಿತ್ರರು ಕೂಡ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ 4 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆ.
Thank you, Bharmapa sir. See, my dears, this is the main intention behind celebration of Gandhiji, because the challenges, values are many in list, but it is utterly a great thing to be followed throughout the life. And we must think that the values are meant for me only, not for others. And Gandhiji did it and showed us. He is a very role model. So he has become the Mahatma to the nation, not only to the nation, for the world itself. So we must be the part to follow the moral values. Now I request Rudresh sir to add the bhajans in the program.
दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड्ग बिना डार, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड्ग बिना डार, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। आंधी में भी जलती रही गांधी तेरी मशाल, साबरमती के संग तूने कर दिया कमाल। साबरमती के संग तूने कर दिया कमाल। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम। धरती पे लड़ी तूने अजब ढंग की लड़ाई, दाढ़ी न कही तो न बंदूक चलाई। दुश्मन के लिए की तूने चढ़ाई, हरे फकीर खूब करामात दिखाई। तूने कर दिया कमाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, शतरंग विचार यहाँ बैठा था जमाना, लगता था कि मुश्किल है तिरंगी को हराना, टक्कर के बड़े जोर की दुश्मन मिटाता पर तू भी मारा कस के काम के उल्टी सभी की चाल, साबरमती के संग तूने कर दिया कमाल, साबरमती के संग तूने कर दिया कमाल। बेटी हमें आजाद बिना खड्ग बिना डार, साबरमती के संग तूने कर दिया कमाल। साबरमती के संग तूने कर दिया कमाल, साबरमती के संग तूने कर दिया कमाल, साबरमती के संग तूने कर दिया कमाल, साबरमती के संग तूने कर दिया कमाल।
Thank you, students. It's really a fact that साबरमती का संत ने किया है कमाल. It is known by the whole world that what the Kamal, the Sabarmati ka Sant has done. We are celebrating the another great leader's day also, Lal Bahadur. As its name says that he was very Bahadur by his simplicity. See, my dear children, a person becomes Bahadur when his deeds and thoughts are transparent and good for the others and for the development of the nation. So, we have to become Bahadur, not reaching up to the level of Lal Bahadur Shastri, but let us start one step of becoming towards the Bahaduri. So, I request now our Yuvraj sir to give the information about how Lal Bahadur Shastri was a great leader and what are the moral values he has given to our nation. So, please.
Good morning, everyone. Respected headmistresses, beloved colleagues, my dear students and parents. I, Yuvraj, presenting a documentary on behalf of Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti. The second Prime Minister of India, Lal Bahadur Shastri, was a man of short stature but possessed a great character, grit and determination. The man who gave India the slogan of Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on October 2nd, 1904 at Mughal Sarai near Banaras in Uttar Pradesh. His father was Sharda Prasad Srivatsav, was a poor school teacher, later joined government service and worked in the revenue office at Allahabad. Lal Bahadur Shastri was hardly 1.5 years old when Sharda Prasad died and left his wife Ram Dulari Devi to take care of their 3 children. Ram Dulari Devi was a woman of strong will and played a great part in shaping Lal Bahadur Shastri's early life by imbibing the right values in him. Bahadur took part in Mahatma Gandhi's non-cooperation movement and was imprisoned for a short while and thus had to discontinue his studies. Upon his release, he joined the Kashi Vidyapita, a nationalist university, and graduated in 1925 with the title Shastri, means scholar. In 1926, he joined the Lala Lajpat Roy's Servants of the People Society and plunged into the freedom movement. In 1937, Lal Bahadur Shastri was elected to the UP Legislative Assembly. Between 1921 to 1942, Shastri ji took part in all the national movements, went to prison 7 times, and spent a total of 9 years in jail. In 1946, Lal Bahadur Shastri was re-elected to Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly. Govind Ballabh Pant, impressed with his humility and unassuming nature, appointed him his parliamentary secretary. Lal Bahadur Shastri ji shifted to Lucknow. In 1952, he became the Union Minister of Railways and brought about several improvements in the Indian railways. He abolished the first class and converted the existing second class to first class, showing the concern for the common man. In 1956, he resigned from the cabinet owing the responsibility for a railway accident near Arialur in south, setting a rare example for politicians. In 1957, Shastriji won the elections from Allahabad and in 1958 became Minister for Transport and Industry. On May 27, 1964, when Jawaharlal Nehru died, the country was plunged into sorrow. People were apprehensive. Who would be the next leader? Who would be the next Prime Minister? But Nehru had already given the hint when he asked Lal Bahadur Shastri to be prepared to attend the Commonwealth Conference in June. Lal Bahadur Shastri became Prime Minister after Jawaharlal Nehru. During his tenure as a Prime Minister, Shastriji tackled several problems like food shortage, unemployment, and poverty. To face the food crisis, he initially imported food grains and distributed them throughout the country. Later, he drew long-term plans to make country self-sufficient in food. Farmers were provided with high-quality seeds. Irrigation system was improved and the farmers were paid well for their agriculture production. Lal Bahadur Shastri showed his mettle during the Indo-Pak War, which broke out in 1965 when Pakistan started its activity on Kashmir border and crossed the international border at Chumb in March 1965. Shastriji did not hesitate to retaliate. The military bases in Pakistan were attacked and by the 22nd day of the war, the Indian forces and entered Lahore and Sialkot in Pakistan. Shortly after signing the No War Agreement at Tashkent, Lal Bahadur Shastri died of a massive heart attack on February 11, 1966. The great little man, as he was called in the USA, was mourned over the country. Lal Bahadur Shastri remained a simple man till the end. A memorial was set up at Vijay Ghat in Delhi for his incredible serve to the nation. Shastri ji was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1966. Personally, I feel very proud to say about such a great personality. I want to end my documentary with a story of Lal Bahadur Shastri ji.
So poor in his childhood that he had no money. No money means no books. He used to go to school without book, and a teacher warned him again and again to bring the book, but he failed to bring the book because he had no money. Ultimately, he warned him and said, "You will not come to school if you don't have a book." He promised that he will bring a book tomorrow, and he took a book from his classmate, and during whole night he copied the book in his notebook and produced to the teacher next day. But the boy whom he took the book, he told the reality to the teacher. At that time, tears rolled over his cheeks, and the teacher hugged Lal Bahadur Shastri. And it was a moment where the soul of a teacher and the soul of a boy met together when he became the Prime Minister of India. He had the notion, the basic idea of governance, as I see it, is to hold the society together so that I can develop and march toward the certain goals. Those who govern must see how the people react to the administration. Ultimately, the people are the final arbitrators, he used to say. He was such a great man, such a great personality, such a great Prime Minister of India. Such a great man, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Thank you, Yuvraj sir. Now I request Rudresh sir and all our colleagues to be in the part of bhajan.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम ईश्वर सबको सन्मति दे भगवान रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति जानकी जीवन श्यामा नाम सुंदर माधव मेघा श्याम मंदिर मस्जिद तेरे तेरे दाम निर्वासित सब संतों को करे प्रणाम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम ईश्वर अल्लाह सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। यीशु क्रिस्त पैगंबर नाम सब संतों को करे प्रणाम। यीशु क्रिस्त पैगंबर नाम सब संतों को करे प्रणाम। बदले बदले सीताराम बदले बदले सीताराम बदले बदले मंगल मूर्ति सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम ईश्वर अल्लाह सबको सन्मति दे भगवान सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान।
Thank you, everybody. In our Sanatana Dharma, every deed has its own importance. As we say in our recent trend, that is scientific reason. So, the main important part is given to the prayer. Prayer has its own significance in our life. So, Gandhiji inculcated that as the first deed to be started as a prayer. Now, I request our small kids to sing a song on Gandhiji.
तट्टु तट्टु चकाले पुट्टा मगु तको कೈ इको कೈ गांधी गिंदु जन्मदिन
information about Gandhiji and more motivational. Thank you very much. My dears, let us sing all the Gandhi Smriti. Ready? रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावना सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावना सीताराम। निर्णय पावन पुण्य नामवा ನೆನೆಯುವ ದಿನವೇ ಶುಭ ದಿನವೋ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಪಾವನ ಪುಣ್ಯ ನಾಮವ ನೆನೆಯುವ ದಿನವೇ ಶುಭ ದಿನವೋ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಅಮೃತ ನುಡಿಗಳ ಮನದಿ ಸ್ಮರಿಸಿದ ಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಮಂಗಳವೋ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಅಮೃತ ನುಡಿಗಳ ಮನದಿ ಸ್ಮರಿಸಿದ ಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಮಂಗಳವೋ ರಘುಪತಿ ರಾಘವ ರಾಜಾ ರಾಮ ಪತಿತ ಪಾವನ ಸೀತಾರಾಮ। ದ್ವೇಷ ಸುವೆ ಭೇದ ಭಾವ ತೊರೆರೆಂದು ಉಪದೇಶಿಸಿದೆ ದ್ವೇಷ ಸೂಯೆ ಭೇದ ಭಾವ ತೊರೆರೆಂದು ಉಪದೇಶಿಸಿದೆ ಸತ್ಯಹಿಂಸೆಯ ವ್ರತದ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ ಜಗತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ನೀ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ ಸತ್ಯಹಿಂಸೆಯ ವ್ರತದ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ ಜಗತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ನೀ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ ರಘುಪತಿ ರಾಘವ ರಾಜಾ ರಾಮ ಪತಿತ ಪಾವನ ಸೀತಾರಾಮ। ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆಯ ಕೋಟಿ ವರುಷಗಳ ತಪಸ್ಸು ನೀಡಿದ ಫಲ ನೀನು ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆಯ ಕೋಟಿ ವರುಷಗಳ ತಪಸ್ಸು ನೀಡಿದ ಫಲ ನೀನು ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಯ ದಾಸ್ಯವಳಿಸಿದ ದೇವನು ತಂದವರ ನೀನು ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಯ ದಾಸ್ಯವಳಿಸಿದ ದೇವನು ತಂದವರ ನೀನು ರಘುಪತಿ ರಾಘವ ರಾಜಾ ರಾಮ ಪತಿತ ಪಾವನ ಸೀತಾರಾಮ। ರಘುಪತಿ ರಾಘವ ರಾಜಾ ರಾಮ ಪತಿತ ಪಾವನ ಸೀತಾರಾಮ ಪತಿತ ಪಾವನ ಸೀತಾರಾಮ ಪತಿತ ಪಾವನ सीताराम। बोलो श्री गांधी जी की बोलो श्री महात्मा गांधी जी की बोलो श्री गांधी जी की धन्यवाद। जय जवान जय जवान जय जवान। Now I request our beloved headmasters to address us. Madam, please.
Good morning everyone, my dear teachers and my dear students. Greetings of the day. Mohandas Gandhi is one of the most famous leaders and campaigns for justice in the world. His principles and firm belief in non-violence have been followed by many other important civil rights leaders including Martin Luther King and Nelson Mandela. His renown is such that he is mostly just referred to by the single name Gandhi. What qualities made Gandhi a Mahatma? Yes, the three main qualities that define Gandhi as a hero are his strong leadership, simplicity and bravery. Leadership was one of the Gandhiji's heroic qualities. One way he demonstrated leadership was by encouraging people in his village to start using homespun clothing. Why Gandhi is unique? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi is considered unique because of his insistence on non-violent resistance to injustice, which in his case included both his own personal trials and tribulations as a person of color in South Africa and later as a leader of India's independence movement. What is the main aim of Gandhian philosophy? You know, ultimate aim of education only. According to Gandhi, the ultimate aim of education is to realize God or self-realization. According to Gandhi, development of the moral character, development of the whole, all are directed towards the realization of the ultimate reality, the merger of the finite being into the infinite. Gandhi is my role model because he inspirational role model who not only reacted to violence without violence but overcame it and succeeded in life without violence. He was a victim of bullying and segregation and looked past the odds and was inspirational for many people. Children, in the same day, today we are celebrating another one great personality, that is none other than Lal Bahadur Shastri. Shastri was known for the honesty and humility. Throughout his life, he was awarded the Bharat Ratna and a memorial, Vijaya Ghat, was built for him in Delhi. We can take 5 important life lessons from Lal Bahadur Shastri. The life of India's second Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri holds several lessons in honesty, integrity and simplicity for children and adults alike. Here are some facts and anecdotes from his life that exemplify the principles he lived by. One is protested against the caste system. Since he did not believe in the caste system, he gave up his surname as a young schoolboy. The little Shastri was bestowed on him upon graduating from Kashi Vidyapita as a mark of scholarly achievement. Patriotic from a young age. As a patriotic young boy, he was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi and his call to join the non-cooperation movement at the young age of 16. In his maiden Independence Day speech in 1964, Shastri told the youth to strive for moral strength and character. I appeal to our young men to inculcate discipline in themselves, discipline and work for the unity and advancement of the nation. Simple living, high thinking, he had the main character. When he married in 1928 at the insistence of his in-laws to accept dowry, he took a charka and some khadi cloth. Even when he passed away, he reported had no property in his name and left behind a few books and a dhoti kurta. As a child, Shastri is known to have swam across the river to reach school to save his impoverished family money to pay for a boat ride. A compassionate, forward-thinking leader. He had many qualities to his credit, such as using water jets to disperse crowds instead of a lathi charge and making it possible for women to be appointed as conductors in public transport facilities. He also raised the slogan of Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan during the Indo-Pakistan War in 1965. He paved the way for Indians' food self-sufficiency. Honesty was always the best policy of his Lal Bahadur Shastri. Since the children were rarely allowed to use the official car to go to school, when their father was Prime Minister, the family decided to buy a Fiat car for rupees 12,000. A bank loan for rupees 5,000 was taken, which Shastri's widow had to clear after his sudden death from his pension. On a visit to a textile mill as Prime Minister, Shastri when the owner offered to gift him expensive saris, Shastri insisted on buying and paying for only those he could afford. This example shows his simplicity. He also had an undue promotion for his son overturned. Children, after hearing the success and characters of the heroes of these two, Lal Bahadur Shastri and Gandhiji's, you must read the biography of both of the heroes. It may inspire you, it motivate you for your future life. Thank you and all.
Thank you, madam, for your valuable words. It is really a great opportunity for all of us to be in this auspicious occasion. And by the permission of our headmasters, I will conclude this function. Jai Shri Ram.